When you start a presentation, there are a number of things you have to actually consider. One is the strength of your arguments. Is it going to mean something to your audience? Are you credible? Do you have the right to actually take your space and tell them what's what? The other thing is that you have to make an emotional connection with the audience. All those three things are intertwined.
There have been lots of studies that show that the first 30 seconds of any speech are the most memorable. That's about 100 words. So when you start a presentation, make sure you don't squander those words. It's so easy to waste them saying, "Thank you for being here," or "The fire exits on the left." Now, this is a wasted opportunity. Identify your main message and say it within the first 100 words.